This is the MANIME Stick-on Gel Mani in Floral Cuticles that you can choose as a choice for your Glam Bag Plus this month. I'll be showing you how to use it, so you'll get these gel strips, a mini nail filer, and a prep pad. First, prep your nails with the alcohol prep pad to remove any dirt and excess oil. This will also allow the strips to adhere to the nail better. Then size the gel strips to your nails so you can find the perfect fit for each one. Now just peel off the strip and place it near the cuticle first, then press down so it sticks onto the rest of the nail. Rub the nail to make sure the strip is laying flat. Next, use a mini nail filer to file in a downward motion to remove the excess from the tip. Also, in case you place a strip not exactly where you want it to near the cuticle, carefully pull up and place it again, then press down to secure like before. Now repeat these steps on the rest of your nails to finish your manicure. And that's all you have to do. These are great since you can get your own mani at home and there's no dry time.